Hello, this is Jenny Jones from the Digital Growth Hacks Club. Listen, hey, I wanted to take an opportunity to show you one of the most underrated tools in digital marketing today. And I'm not really sure why it's so underrated. I'm in a couple of different rooms and a lot of people's like, it's underrated. They want you to do this, want you to do that. This particular tool is called Topic Mojo. And this is exactly what it is. It gives you the topics for the day. Let me teach you this one hack, because again, the things that we do here is we're trying to help you grow your business with different hacks, different ideas, different ways to use tools, different ways to mix the tools together. And again, I want to make this a short video. Let me give you the number one hack that I like about using this tool. You can do about 5 or 6 different things from this tool. Again, this is a tool that you put in, you can ask model, you can ask a question here and generate a topic model around any product or brand name, get instant customer insights. This is powerful. I don't want to talk about all of the tools today in here. I'm going to probably come back into another video and tell you some different things, but let me tell you one of the things that I like to use this for. You can go to the trending topic and this will give you all of the trending topics for the day. So if you're ever trying to generate traffic, you're ever trying to make a social post of a blog that you did, and you wanted to get picked up by social media or search engines, you come to topics. Every day they will give you a different topic and what is the most trending topic of the day. So this is today's trending topic. Obviously today is Sunday, so yesterday was Saturday. And again, one of the things that come up is Oklahoma football, right? Because all football is played on a Saturday here in the United States. So we'll collapse them all. These are your trending topics. Oklahoma football, Florida Gators, Robert Woods, thunderstorms, UFC fight night, Penn State, Kyle Rittenhouse verdict, Louisville football. So it's mostly talking about football. So let me give you this one hack. And this is what I teach in some of my workshops. I think I have a course and I'm going to come out with the seven degrees of conversions. That's going to be dropping soon. I already have the book that's out, but I'm putting a course with it as well. So I'm going to come back and drop the link in that a little bit later. But this is one of the things you do. You come here, you can look at expand all or collapse all. Listen at this hack. This is gold, right? I could come here and find a topic around whatever I'm going to discuss and just write a story around it. Like, for example, if I wanted to write, let's say I do a lot of retirement and a lot of investing topics and a lot of digital media topics, right? Those are my core. I have a degree in all those areas. I can come here and I can say 3 things I learned from the Felicia Spencer and Leah Letson fight, right? There's 3 things I learned from the Holloway versus Rodriguez fight, right? And then put in hashtag UFC or, 2 things I learned from Max Holloway and the Rodriguez fight. Those are topics. You just say 2 things I learned from, 3 things I learned from, 5 things or 5 ways the UFC could have won this fight or Max Holloway could have won this fight instead of Rodriguez winning this fight. That's a topic because it's a trending topic and you have to be prepared to write the topic for that day. And you can use one of the other tools that I mentioned to you in one of the other videos. I will put a description to that up top. Like Bloggly or something like that. So again, you could do that, or you can just do a vlog. You can just do a trending topic. You can just do it in YouTube, and you can put you can write up your YouTube description. You can say, hey, 3 things I learned from the Florida Gators football team yesterday, right? You have to read a couple of articles and see that and stuff like that. But this is a good hack. It's called Trending in Topic Mojo. I'll go ahead and put a link to an affiliate link to purchase this tool, to pick this tool up. I'll put that. Now that you'll be able to buy me a cup of coffee, it'll be great if you use it, because I'm going to continue. If you guys continue to use these links that I provide for you, then I can continue to give you more digital hacks like this. Again, this has been Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. I'm going to always try to find ways for you to grow your money. I have a course coming out, as you should be able to double your money, because I actually have a use case where I've actually doubled my money by using the 6 degrees of conversions. I'm going to bring that out, and I'm almost finished with that. I'm probably about 85% done with that. But again, 3 things I learned from the UFC fight, 2 things I learned from the Penn State game, right? You can get controversial and do the Kyle Rittenhouse verdict. I would stay away from that, but you can. But what this also does is it tells you the number 1 things that are trending. See, they put the numbers here, 200K, 200K, 100K, and they drop down in numbers, right? There's 100K there, 100K there, but these are things trending. My last thing I want to cover, these are YouTube, Google, they're repositories for content. They're worlds that content creators should live in. If you're creating content, you will be found. They will find your content and they will serve your content up. Again, this has been Jenny Jones. Thank you again for listening. Hope all is going well. Take care. Be safe out there. Goodbye for now.